How to fix a volume control is not working on your Amazon's Firestick. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are facing the problems on your TV remote volume, then here are some fixes that you can try on. The very first one would be replace or reinstall the batteries. You can either replace the batteries with new ones or alternatively remove it for a few minutes and reinsert them. Second option would be to update the remote and check TV settings. Go to Fire TV home screen and select controller and Bluetooth devices in the settings. Check for an update for your remote. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Navigate to the equipment control in the main settings menu and ensure it is set to automatic. Go to manage equipment, TV, change TV and make sure the TV is listed. Follow the on-screen instructions and play to ensure if the volume is turned on. If this does not work, reset the remote. For this, unplug the Fire Stick and wait for 60 seconds. Press and hold the left menu plus back button. Then remove the batteries. Plug the Fire Stick back again, reinstall the batteries and press the home button. After that, you should probably be able to fix the issue. So that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.